Hi, in front of me is REALME X50 5G, and today I want to show you how you can protect your apps with password. Open Settings, then scroll down and choose Fingerprint, Face and Password. Now click Set Privacy Password and choose one of the methods. I will go with Pattern, so now I have to draw it and confirm it. From here, you have to answer security questions or set an email. When you're done, click Done. Then App Lock and choose apps that you wanted to be protected. I will go with this ones, so I have to click Lock 5 and go back. Now when I select one of these apps, Pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!